if you're anything like me, lineups are the best part of a haircut.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Now, not saying that it's more important, but I'm saying lineups is the best part visually of a haircut. If it's not, look at this. Wait. All right, now this is a difficult line. This is a difficult lineup. Now, some of y'all will be like, push back. Oh my God, push back, bruh. Sometimes you gotta push back. Sometimes it ain't not nothing you can do. You gotta just push him to get a symmetrical line. Don't nobody want these little lineups like this. Don't nobody want that, all right? We want a regular line. We want to leave out of there. Some people grow too much right here, all right? And I feel like they blessed. Let's get back to it.
Where you get your beats?
Wait. I already know what y'all about to say. To all my pushback patrols, okay? Relax, all right? Y'all already on the case.
Oh my God, he's taking off too much in the front.
My client doesn't want a widow's peak, all right? Relax. Let's get back to it. Alright, you guys, got something in the mail. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't use what I'm using. Just don't do it. Clearly it's not safe. But we got something in the mail from Stylecraft. And we already know what it is, being that this video is about lineups. Some liners, some Stylecraft Pro trimmers. Another pair. Another one? Another pair. Stylecraft. I'm gonna need y'all to stick with one and perfect something. All these trimmers that's coming out, I mean, come on. We got these. These looking real good. These is looking real good. You got to show me something. You got to tell me why these ones are better than these. Okay, that's what we want to know. Why these are better than these. Are these all the same clippers with just different look? I don't know. I need answers. I need answers, but we got this in the mail. I really don't like the blue, pink, and black combination anymore. I wish they would switch up the colors. Really wish they would switch up the colors, but boom, this is it right here. Hopefully these hit. They really all kind of hit. You just gotta put like a modified blade on them and find somebody to sharpen them. But these are usually good clippers. I mean trimmers. That's the sound. It actually looks decent though. I like how they kind of enclosed the whole skeleton look, but still kept the skeleton type of. This actually looks good though. It feels strong. I don't know, but we gotta put it to the test. Let's go.
Where you get your beats?
Listen, you can't deny it, okay? You cannot deny it. The lineup is the best part of a haircut. Now, I'm not saying that you can have one without the other. I'm not saying you can have a horrible blend and then once the lineup comes, that makes the haircut even more better. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that you can have a messed up taper, messed up fade, you put a line on it and it's all good. That's not what I'm saying. Alright, what I'm saying is that the lineup is the most satisfying part of the cut. It is what completes a haircut. It is what brings the haircut all as a whole together. And I think that's pretty much self-explanatory. I think that's something that we all know. You know what I mean? It's not something that I just wanted to show y'all my lineups. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Look, lineups aren't easy to do. Okay, if you're a beginner, or even if you're, you're 6 months in, or even if you are claiming to be the best and I got bars and all of that stuff, at the end of the day, lineups aren't easy, okay? You basically gotta make a straight line on different people's head, and let's be real, not everybody got that head shape. Not everybody got that straight line that you could put it on, so you gotta know when to push back. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you new beginners, that's what y'all afraid of, is I don't wanna push back, don't wanna be a pushback barber. To get a crispy line and get somebody straight, sometimes you got to push back. And I know a lot of people don't wanna hear that. Sometimes you gotta push back. And I know a lot of barbers don't wanna hear that. You gotta push back sometimes.